curious, slightly frustrated. The most powerful AI models in the world all suffer from a massive structural flaw, amnesia. Every time you open a new chat session, the system starts with zero historical context about you, your business, or the strategy you finalized yesterday. To get around this, users have to manually re-upload massive stacks of background documents, transcripts, and style guides every single time they want to start a new project. This animation illustrates the real cost of that workaround. As your context window fills with document icons just to establish the background knowledge, it burns through thousands of computational operations, instantly draining your token budget before you even ask your first real question. You are left trapped in an unwinnable cycle. You either accept an AI that forgets everything, or you pay exorbitant financial and computational costs just to bring the machine up to speed. We can solve this by bridging two isolated systems. By connecting Claude's advanced reasoning capabilities with the free infinite storage capacity of Google's Notebook LM, we can build a permanent external archive. This connection is forged through a custom Python skill. It acts as a secure, automated handshake, allowing Claude to log in to Notebook LM and operate its systems remotely. This diagram shows the underlying architecture making it possible. It relies on a system called RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. Instead of loading an entire library into your chat box, the system searches an external vault, locates the exact relevant data point, and pulls only that single piece of context forward. By storing your documents entirely outside of Claude's local environment, you establish a true second brain. It operates completely free of the platform's restrictive memory limits. The immediate benefit of this connection is deep enrichment. When you are making complex strategic decisions, you need comprehensive data, fast. With the API bridge active, you can ask Claude a question, and it will instantly query dozens of complex source documents, such as meeting transcripts, deep competitor data, and technical research papers that are stored safely inside Notebook LM. Looking at these two meters, your local Claude token usage stays completely flat. All the heavy lifting happens externally on Google servers, where Notebook LM's meter churns through the data cluster, condensing it all into a single, distilled strategic insight sent back to your interface. You gain the intelligence of a massive, comprehensive data archive, and you completely bypass the cognitive and financial tax of processing it locally. The workflow also functions in reverse, enabling direct programmatic asset creation. You can issue commands directly within your Claude conversation to trigger Notebook LM's native multimedia generation tools. In this generation sequence, a raw block of text strategy is processed through the external engine, turning into an instant structural blueprint. Command it to build polished infographics, design email sequence frameworks, or render cinematic audio overviews. Because the actual media generation takes place entirely inside the Notebook LM ecosystem, you incur exactly zero fees for the processing power required to render it. A single conversational interface now handles the automated generation of visual and auditory deliverables, consolidating your production process without requiring additional software costs. To permanently solve the AI amnesia problem, we rely on the final component of this architecture, the wrap-up skill. At the end of a long, complex AI work session, after you've brainstormed ideas and finalized decisions, you simply type a / command to trigger the wrap-up protocol. The system automatically scans your chat, extracts every key decision, and compresses them into a dense memory cube. It securely drops into a vault. Later, the AI sends a search beam into that vault to consult your archived data before answering. Isolated, disposable chats are replaced by a compounding, permanent institutional memory. The system retains your decisions securely, ensuring your data never decays. You no longer have to spend the first 20 minutes of your day explaining your own business to an empty chat box. You operate with a baseline of perfect perpetual recall. The return on investment is immediate. You drive your expensive token costs down to virtually zero, while simultaneously multiplying your analytical and creative output. Rather than relying on the raw intelligence of an individual model, true efficiency comes from engineering an enduring, cost-effective system. Set up the connection, build your vault, and give your AI a memory that lasts.